Leoni is one of the largest global providers of cables and cable solutions for data and energy management. This is supported by a high level of engineering and logistic services. As a German company, we have a very strong footprint in engineering and manufacturing in Europe.
We are, for many global OEMs, the preferred supplier, since we have an interconnected engineering and manufacturing system, which enables us to localize no matter where you are and maintaining the same quality standards. We produce more than 1.5 million assemblies per year for our top OEMs, and we have helped many OEMs to increase their revenue and their profits.
Leoni develops and manufactures standardized and custom cables and cable systems.
We provide certified cables for CC-Link bus and CC-Link industrial Ethernet field standards. We certified our industrial Ethernet cables to prove to our customers that our quality is in line with the high standards of CC-Link industrial Ethernet cables as specified by CLPA. In the future, we would like to work together with CLPA to get our fireproof and explosion-proof cables certified. These cables are rather unique. They can withstand fire for more than 3 hours and still provide a Cat6a protocol.
We also benefit from cooperating in setting the latest standards.
Gigabit Ethernet is for Leoni very important. In the automation world, the data volume is rapidly increasing, caused by vision systems, IoT and TSN network protocols. Leoni has many new cable developments.
Leoni is a hardware and software solution. It makes cables self-aware and capable of sensing the environment around it. This will be soon a game changer with massive cost reduction potential in the manufacturing industry.
We are happy that CLPA exists and is providing high cable quality standards spreading globally. And this open protocol allowing TSN protocols is really something for the future, and we are proud that we can provide the backbone, the cables for it.